Okay, so
Hi,
tell
how are
me
you?
something about. Okay, hello. I'm doing great. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thanks for asking. Uh, so let's start with the introduction. So can you tell me about
Okay, okay.
yourself in brief?
Okay, so my brief introduction. So I'm Vicky and I'm come from Bihar and right now I'm pursuing my master's degree and talking about my hobbies. So in my free time, I love to do painting and sketching. I think that's all about me and I want to know from you from your introduction as well. Sorry.
Okay, okay.
So you can.
So, okay, my name is Muleshwari and I'm from Chhattisgarh state. I completed my study, and if I talk about my hobbies are singing, dancing, painting, and I like to learn new things. And it's been 1.5 months that I'm uploading some conversation videos on my YouTube channel. So that's all about me. So you were saying something before. You were asking something.
Yes, I wanted to ask something about team. Like team is same as Skype app or it's different? I'm not sure because some of
Yeah,
the person sent me a link.
okay. Team is the same like Skype, but there I don't know why I'm not getting recording option when the call get connected on Team. But like whatever recording whenever I record on Skype, I'm getting all recording on Team. So I'm downloading the recording from the Team.
Okay, okay, okay. So you have
Yeah.
completed your graduation, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm postgraduate.
Okay, you are also completed your postgraduate. Okay, so
Yeah.
now you are doing like what is right now what are the things you are doing?
I'm just learning English and I'm preparing for a competitive exam. And I just want to ask you which kind of painting you do. You said you like painting, right?
Yes, and I think your hobby is also painting.
Yeah, yeah. But I'm
Yes,
not
mostly
a
I
painter, but I like.
yes, yes. I am also not an artist, professional artist.
Okay, so I was asking you about your painting journey, and I think that
Yes,
wall you have that painting. You have like it that you're sketching, you're drawing.
it's my oil color painting, I can say, and it's been almost around more than 4 months. It's been like it is already complete, we can say, but I want to add up something, so which is why it's still on my wall.
Okay, nice. So you joined any classes for painting, or you learned from YouTube?
No, I learn from YouTube online. I can say I am a self-taught artist. Mostly I spend time with myself in order to learn. I do experiment to learn. Sometimes I fail, or most of the time I am succeed to achieve my result, we can say. I think I am quite passionate towards painting, so which is why I make some time or I dedicate some times from my busy schedule. So yes, so which is why I can do that
Yeah,
maybe.
nice. Yeah. I do like, but I just want to learn sketching, like face sketching.
Mhm. Yes,
So
1 year ago I okay, okay, go on.
can you draw the like can you sketch? Can you do sketching like a human like myself like yourself your picture? Can you sketch that?
Yes, 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 definitely. Even 1 year ago, I used to do pencil sketching a lot. Or at that time, I sketched lots of portrait of celebrity of different character, we can say. So yes, I am quite good
Okay,
in pencil
nice.
sketching, we can say. Yes, I can do hyper realistic work as well.
Actually, I want to learn that face sketching. So what should I do? Can you
Mhm.
suggest me any channel or
So
any YouTube channel?
there are lots of channel who can teach you, but according to me, for learning portrait, you need to have a basic knowledge of pencil sketching, or at least you need some practice. It's not like that any magic will happen to you or anyone. I think you have to dedicate 1 year at least, 1 to 2 years, to learn pencil sketching in a portrait medium. So because portrait is I think we have to focus over different things at the same time, or we have to quite enough to balance the pencil, or to yes, balance the contrast begins between the light and shade. So I think pencil sketching is a normal thing. You can do that, or in your starting journey, in the starting of your journey, you can do only one thing. Try to draw some normal portrait. Do not try to go on advanced level very quick. At least you have to spend 1 year to uh, sketch the portrait only. Try to practice outline first, and then after switch to this shading mode. So then you can learn, because I did same things in my previous days, so which is why I think you should also do that thing.
Yeah, nice. Actually, I never joined any classes, but I tried. But I can like draw like little bit similar, but I'm making a lot of mistake. I know. So I just want to know like learn properly.
Yes. For learning properly, you have to be consistent enough, according to me. No class can help you, or no YouTube channel can help you in order to learn a portrait. Because for a great portrait or for a great drawing, you need to be dedicate your time at least 2 hours or 3 hours per day. So if you can manage time with your schedule, so definitely you will be able to do that. It's just a matter of time, we can say.
Yeah, I can say. Actually, I left because I don't have much time. I know it's take a lot of time. But in
Yes, it's
future,
take a
when I
lot.
will get time, I will definitely learn this sketching.
Definitely. Anyone can learn sketching who have interested or who has some passion related to the artistic things. So they can do that.
Yeah, actually, like when I used to do before, it's been long I was doing, but I used to draw, like pictures of gods and like
Mhm.
scenarios, and sometimes
Mm.
I actress. I just tried
Yes,
to
yes,
make
yes.
like actress and like some freedom fighters, like there also
Mm.
I just tried, but I was just able to make little bit similar, but I know it's not proper way. And now
Mm.
I totally left because I got busy in some other another thing. But yeah, I know like in future I will definitely learn when I will get time.
Mm. At least you can start watercolor painting. I think watercolor painting takes very less time to do, or you can do on a regular basis. For example, it will take only about 1 hour a day. Only you can go for a landscape in the starting of your journey. So from watercolor painting, you can learn lots of things, I think, because doing watercolor is not easy for a beginner or for anyone, I think, because watercolor is a real art, according to me. If person is able to handle watercolor in their painting, so I think they can do anything related to the oil painting, pencil sketching, anything. So you should go there.
Yeah, like I have 3 or 4 drawing books because I
Mm,
I really like I used to draw before, but now it's been very long. I totally left. But whenever I feel sad, no, and whenever I go home, I just like
mm,
look my all like drawings, pictures, and as I told you in the beginning, like my hobbies are also I like to learn new things. So I
mm.
I made so many things like how to say handmade things in my
Craft,
home.
yes, craft,
Yeah,
craft, DIY, we can say.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So
Yes,
okay,
making
can you tell
DIY
me?
and mm,
Sorry,
sorry. Go on, please.
no, I ask you about your place. I was asking about your place where you live. Do you have any kind of environment related to English? Like you have any friend, your surrounding?
No. I am from Bihar. So in Bihar, everyone know here is not any environment regarding to the English language. But from my college days, I wanted to learn this language. Or after some time, I started my English journey 1 year ago. It's been almost around 1 year, more than 1 year. I have been practicing this language over different app or with different people. So I think now I'm quite good to express my thought at least, but I want to excel in this language as a native speaker so that I can use proper jargon, proper word, proper idiom phrases at the same time or related to the topic. So I want to reach that kind of level in myself. Or yes, and it's great thing you want to be a good sketch artist in your future. So I can see like you are quite passionate towards the sketching, mainly portrait sketching. So I
Yeah.
I have only one suggestion for you. You have to like you should pick a paper, pick some paper, almost around yes, sheets of A4 size paper. Yes, A sheet paper, A4 size paper. Yes. So grab the whole bundle of this A4 size paper and grab some pen or pencil. 10 pen or 10 pencil and start doing sketching. Whatever's come to you in your mind, start doing sketching or open YouTube, not open Google and try to search some portrait figure drawing. And you can start at least 10 drawing, 10 rough sketch you have to draw in a one day. So in the upcoming 3 months, you will see the humongous improvement in yourself regarding to the control or regarding to the like control over the pencil we can say. Then you will shift towards the next level.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, I think we should end this session. It was a really nice conversation with you, and I hope we will talk again and we will come up with any topic. And thank you very much for connecting with me.
Okay, definitely we will connect in upcoming days if we will get time at the same time. So definitely we will connect.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Yes, thank you so much for your time. Bye.